Ford has largely stayed out of the horsepower war raging between Chevrolet and Dodge for the past couple of years. It finally entered the conflict at the 2019 Detroit Auto Show with the 2020 Mustang Shelby GT500. This is the ultimate evolution of the current generation Mustang. Ford is not ready to reveal technical specifications, but we know that power comes from a 5.2-liter V8 engine. At this point, all we know is it's going to be the most powerful Mustang ever made by the factory, and the most powerful street-legal Ford ever built. The V8's output goes to the rear wheels through a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Ford redesigned the rear suspension to keep the 700 horsepower output in check. Buyers can also pay extra for trick carbon fiber wheels that reduce unsprung weight. They're first seen on the Mustang GT350. Step inside to find an 8-inch touchscreen for the infotainment system, a 12-inch driver information display, and a 12-speaker sound system. The GT500 boasts 2 bucket seats and real carbon fiber trim on the dashboard as well as on the center console. Pricing information will be released closer to the GT500's on-sale date.